What catalysts do? Let's see this process. What do catalysts work in chemical reactions? Catalysts are substances that speed up a chemical reaction without being consumed in the process. In a chemical reaction, the bonds between atoms get broken, shuffled around, and put back together, creating brand new molecules. Catalysts make this process faster by providing an alternative pathway with a lower activation energy needed for reaction. Let's look at an example of how catalysts works. Have you seen the elephant toothpaste experiment? The reaction produces a large volume of oxygen gas, creating a foamy eruption that resembles toothpaste being squeezed out of a tube. In the experiment, hydrogen peroxide mixes with a catalyst, such as manganese dioxide or potassium iodide. This interaction rapidly causes hydrogen peroxide breakdown into water and oxygen gas. We mentioned that the catalyst for the elephant toothpaste can be solid manganese dioxide or liquid potassium iodide. Did you know that the states of the substances involved in the reaction also influence the speed at which the reaction occurs? If potassium iodide is used as a catalyst, the reaction will proceed more quickly because it shares the same state as the reactant hydrogen peroxide. This type of catalysts is called homologous. However, when you use solid manganese dioxide as a catalyst, the reaction happens slower because the liquid hydrogen peroxide must first diffuse to the surface of the catalyst before a reaction can occur. Since the states of the reactions and catalysts differ, this is called heterogeneous catalysts. How important are catalysts? Catalysts are used in plastic production. They facilitate the polymerization process, where small molecules called monomers join together to form long chains or polymers, which are the basis of various plastics. One catalyst in plastic production is called Ziegler-Natta. It controls how the monomers of plastic stick together. This catalyst helps make plastics with just the right properties like strength or flexibility. Enzymes, which are natural catalysts, help in digestion and other vital process. One example is amylase, which acts like a molecular scissor. Second, hydrolysis of STRAC. It cuts the long chain of STRAC into smaller sugar molecules, a process called hydrolysis. A recap. Catalysts make chemical reactions faster without getting used up. Second, they play a significant role in industrial processes, plastic production, and in biological process called digestion. This about what might happen in a world without catalysts. How would the absence of catalysts affect everyday life? Thanks. Watch this video. Coming up to the next video in interested topic.